Alright folks, this will be a quick tutorial how to install door speakers on a 2002 Chevy Silverado. I believe this works for 99 through 2006 Silverados, Tahoes, and a couple other models probably. But essentially there are two screws. For this one, you pull up here and then disconnect that. There is a screw right up in here, and then there's one just above the door handle. I already took those out. Once you remove those, basically just pull up and it comes completely off, and then you'll have to remove that light down there that exposes this speaker. So this one is inside of it's got like its own mounting. You push down on it and pull. Man, this one's been in there so long, I'm gonna have to pry it out. So it's basically holding this down, and then I took a flathead and there it goes. Pried it out. Looks like you have to fold it all the way down, pull the speaker, and there you go. Now you have to do is disconnect and install the new one. The original factory speaker, you can see it's blown out. It's no longer even connected. No wonder I wasn't getting any sound. So the mounting for this is very peculiar. If you buy the speaker alone, there are no mounting holes. So if you want, you can cheat and do what I did. I got this for maybe $5 or $6 on Amazon. It comes with a pair. It's the Metra 82-3002. The other thing you might notice is that this wiring harness is different. You can either cut the wires and splice new ones to go to your speaker, or you can cheat and get the Metra 72-4568. This is a GM wire harness, and it will give you the leads that go out to your new speakers. I happen to buy these. I'm really impressed with this Metra wire harness, just because of the fact that it comes with the ends that go directly into the speaker and the end that goes directly into the wire harness. It's basically plug and play. You can't beat that. I couldn't end up using the adapters that I had bought, so plan B, drill. So once you have your pilot holes drilled, then you can pop in the screws and you'll be good to go. This step might be self-explanatory for most of you, but the positive goes on this plus, the negative goes on the black. You can usually tell because the positive will be red or white. The black is usually black. It's just neutral, you know, it's the ground. So then you pop it in, good to go. Once you have the screws in, and I had to use a couple different ones because I drilled directly into the metal and I stripped out these little black ones, so I had to go with some that I had at home. Just keep that in mind whenever you have to drill. But otherwise, once you have it in, then just test your radio and make sure that this speaker works. I already did that. And then the next step is to put the entire door back together.